Ramadan is an important month for Muslims. It's a time for reflection, praying, and focusing on profound values. And in this holy month, Agarwood becomes an essential part, bringing the serenity and a sense of spirituality for every family. Wood has been cherished in Middle Eastern culture for thousands of years. Wood aroma helps create a spiritual space for ceremony. Therefore, it has been used in prayers, meditation, and especially during Ramadan, as people look for a deeper connection with Allah. However, selecting high-quality agarwood products is not easy. You need to know three main points. The first one is the origin of the wood. Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia is considered the best quality of the agarwood. Oud Vietnam company, we proudly offer 100% high-quality Vietnamese agarwood products. The second point is its scent. High-quality agarwood released a gentle, slightly sweet aroma that can last for 7 to 8 hours. Each piece will offers a uniquely long-lasting aroma influenced by its origin. The last one is its shape. The high-quality natural agarwood pieces have dark brown color to black color, and the wood pattern is clear and heavier than the normal wood because it contains many oil or resin inside. We hope that you can find the perfect agarwood products for this Ramadan. Oud Vietnam wishes you and your family a Ramadan filled with peace, blessings, and joys. We are honored to be part of your celebration. Ramadan Mubarak! And if you are looking for the premium quality of the agarwood products, so please contact us at Oud Vietnam, and you can check our other platforms like our Instagram account Oud Vietnam and our website oudvietnam.com. Or if you want something really good with the best price, so please contact us via WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in next videos.